How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Messenger app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Choose the gear icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Access notifications and sounds option and open it. Make sure to toggle the button on for notifications and sound so you receive alerts for calls and messages. Next step, you need to go to Manage Notifications from the Settings tab. So simply, you can tap and hold Messenger and the eye icon to get access to the App Info section. Here tap Manage Notifications and Allow Notification. Simply toggle the button on. Make sure to toggle the button on for ringtone, vibrate, and the notification for chats, calls, admin stories, reminder, and other as well. So once you have toggle the button on for all the indicators and communities as well, restart your device once. A simple restart can sometimes fix temporary issues. So hold on the power button on your device and then select restart to restart your device. Other thing you can do is simply clearing the cache. Again, tap and hold Messenger and select I button. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. Following all this step, your Messenger video call sound problem will be definitely fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.